How do I get the picture size with PIL? How do I get a size of a picture size with PIL or any other Python library?
According to the documentation.
You can use PIL website, documentation, GitHub, PIPI. PIL has the same interface as PIL, but works with Python 3. Installation. If you don't have administrator rights, sudo on Debian, you can use. Other notes regarding the installation are here. Code. Speed. This needed 3.21 seconds for 30,336 images, JPGs from 31 by 21 to 424 by 428, training data from National Data Science Bowl on Kaggle. This is probably the most important reason to use PIL instead of something self-written. And you should use PIL instead of PIL, Python imaging, because it works with Python 3. Alternative number 1, NumPy, deprecated. I keep scipy.image.imred as the information is still out there, but keep in mind, imred is deprecated. Imred is deprecated in scipy 1.0.0, and was removed in 1.2.0. Alternative number 2, Pygame.
Since scipy's imread is deprecated, use imagio.imread. Install pip install imagio. Use height, width, channels equals imagio.imread filepath.shape.
This is a complete example loading image from URL, creating with PIL, printing the size and resizing.
Note that PIL will not apply the EXIF rotation information, at least up to v7.1.1, used in many JPGs. A quick fix to accommodate this.